Alright, hey guys. I was just talking about this with my brother, right? So I have a teacher. Right? I got a teacher. I'm not really leaving this teacher's name. I'm just gonna say teacher. My teacher. So my teacher. I saw my teacher sneeze in class, right? And they're all I'm like, Michael Jackson sneeze. What? Lucky? You got the hee. I got the literally it's like or just like ask my family, they'll tell you a lot. Most of the time when I sneeze, I go what? But can you blame me? I can't with that. Have a good day. I'll make sure to like, subscribe, comment what type of sneeze y'all have down in the comments. Like, subscribe. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye bye.